question 2 reads, what is the formula for economic profit? And our junior tutor has written that profits, or simply accounting profits, are defined as the difference between the revenue that the firm earns from selling its output and the cost of producing that output. In other words, excess of revenue over costs, explicit and implicit, is what we call pure profits or economic profits. I think they try to use pi to denote profits here, which is pretty standard in economics. So they've written that pi equals total revenue minus total cost, where TR shows the total revenue, TC shows the total cost. And total cost here would include implicit costs and explicit costs. For example, if a company had 10, that was confusing written, I think they meant 10 million in revenues. Or maybe 1 million. I think they meant 1 million in revenues and 650,000 in explicit cost. Its accounting profit would be 350,000. Same company also had 80,000 implicit or opportunity costs, and its economic profit would be 270 million. So accounting costs are going to equal, essentially accounting costs are, or accounting profits are what you think of when you normally think of profits. So here for accounting, we would say that the profit denoted by pi is equal to the total revenue minus the total cost. And here the total cost is just made up of explicit costs. So this might be things like, we'll say under this umbrella here, made up of explicit costs. So that might be like the fixed cost that it takes to run the business, and the variable cost is the cost that comes with every unit sold. Economic profits, on the other hand, are also going to be denoted by pi for profits. We've got our total revenues minus our total costs again. But this time our total costs will be made up of both explicit costs we had above here, plus implicit costs. So again, explicit costs might be like fixed costs and variable costs. And in addition to what would just be the accounting costs, we need to include implicit costs, which are the opportunity costs. So I'm going to say that that is excellent answer and a good example. You guys can have a second here. Take a picture of that, and we can move on to